Hello everyone, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. So today we're gonna do beach waves using a flat iron, and I'm using this T3 flat iron. And so I saw the video with Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, and it's the flat iron waves and evening ponytail with Laura Polko. So I'll put that down below. But okay, I've already done this side just for the sake of time, but I'm gonna start with this side. But before I do, I wanna show you a couple products that I recommend. So Amika Blockade, it's like an oil that tames the frizz, okay? And then Ouai leave-in conditioner, and then Bumble surf spray, which, oh my gosh, this smells like coconut. And then last is Moroccan Oil. This is their protect and prevent spray. So those are my highly recommended products to use in your hair before you get started. So, okay, and also on my eyes today, I have used the Nars Skin Deep palette. I love this so much. So I have a tutorial on that too, so I'll link that down below. Okay, without further ado, okay, so I've already done this side. All you do is you take this and you go over and then under, over, under, and then the last part right here, you straighten. So I'm just gonna do the rest of this really quick, and then I'm gonna show you the top part of it. So you just go, and you always go over in the beginning here, and then under, over, under, and then straight. Make sure the end is straight, and then over here, one more time. Over, under, straight. Okay, so that's that. Then I'm gonna let this down. Oh, and by the way, my top is Free People. I love this top so much. So we are, okay, now the reason I have this down, so keep your bangs down like that. And then I'm just gonna do this side again. You'll see it goes at the top, always over, and then under. So you're just doing a back and forth motion like this. And then you leave the bottom straight. And let me show you this one. And it really, honestly, it only takes like 5 minutes. I'm just, I like the look of this better. I can do beach waves with a regular curling iron, but I just like this one better. I don't know why, I just feel like it's more natural looking. Let me take this one out. So this one, okay, this one's different. This one you leave straight, and then you just like curl the end like this, so that it just goes like that, okay? And then the top, this is very important. This top part right here. Oh, and by the way, also, I love this little Sephora brush so much. Go down to Sephora and get it. Okay, but the top part, you do want some volume. So make sure you go up first with this one. And then you do the same thing where you're going under, then over, flipping back and forth, and then again, leaving the ends straight like that. And then what I do here, I do tease it just a little bit right here. Just do a little back comb, just a little. And it like fluffs it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this side over here, same thing. And again, at the top, you want a little volume, just a little bit. So you're gonna go over, under, twisting back and forth like this. And then leave that flat. And then I'm gonna do this part again. Now again, this part's different. You want this part laying flat. So this part, just take the end of it and curl it like that. And it away from your face like that. Okay, love that so much. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this piece right here. And then that's basically it. Now T3, I love the T3 because T3 gets hot, but you just don't wanna leave it on your hair too long. That's why you're kind of making quick little movements like that. But I love T3. Actually, okay, you know what I wanna get so bad, and when I do get it, I'm gonna do this part right here again. I want to get their interchangeable. I guess they have 3 wands that are like interchangeable, different sizes. So that's kind of like my next thing. I think they have it at Ulta. And then here's my last one. Just a little over, under. And again, you can do beach waves with, you know, your round curling iron too, but I just think this looks so good. I love this look. I've been doing this look lately. Okay, look at that. That's it, guys. So simple. Beach wavy, keep those ends straight. And if you need a little, like right here, if you need a little poof, you know, straighten it out a little bit, or just play with it. But I love this look so much. So there you have it. Beach Waves with your Flatiron using T3, and have a great summer. I'm so excited. Don't forget your sunblock, and until next time, bye.